Okay, look, someone's gonna tell us to take this video down. Because this rod should not be this cheap. You've got 30-ton carbon strong enough to lift 18 pounds. Straight up. A carbon wrap that looks absolutely gorgeous in the sunlight. Fuji guides. The ones that stay smooth for years. A handcrafted wooden handle that feels premium the second you touch it. And here's the crazy part. Every two-piece comes with 2 tips. Medium for finesse, medium heavy for power. 1 rod that replaces 2. And the sensitivity? Even the medium heavy tip picks up the tiniest tap. Big brands would price this at $250. Easy. Ours is $110 because we're the factory that actually builds them. We know, we shouldn't be doing this, but we're doing it anyway.